Country Views. I have a quick recipe for you guys today, and I think you'll enjoy it. It's a dessert. It is called Coffee Afloat. So let's get started. Over here, I have some cold coffee with my handy dandy mug. And then here, I have hot chocolate ice cream. Yes, I said hot chocolate ice cream. You're gonna take your ladle or whatever's comfortable for home, and you're gonna ladle some coffee in, okay? You can make it as dark as you want it or as weak as you want it, okay? So I go about right here, okay guys? About right here is the starting of my coffee afloat. Now I'm gonna come over here to my hot chocolate ice cream that I left sit out to soften, and I'm gonna drop it right in the coffee. Look how it starts to fizz. All right, now we're gonna put another scoop in here. We're gonna go ahead and finish filling it up with ice cream. So while I'm filling this up, you guys hear Cam in the background, he's ready to dig into this.
I'm ready.
All right, so while I'm filling this up for newcomers, friends and family, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I do have a Facebook page called Country Views, and I also have Instagram as well. So now you're going to come back over here and start ladling your coffee back over the top of it. Make sure your coffee is completely cooled, because if it's not, it's just gonna melt your ice cream. Look, I'm over here making a mess, you guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And you just want to finish filling it up with your coffee until it's almost overflowing. Now, some people like whipped cream. Me personally, myself, I like whipped cream over the top too, but I don't have any today, so I'm making it without. Cam, go ahead and focus on that while I get you a spoon. And I'm actually going to get a couple spoons because we both are going to try it, Cam. So here is a spoon for you. You go ahead and try it.
Oh, this is...
Look how divine that looks, you guys. Make sure you get some coffee with it, Cam.
That's what I'm doing. I'm getting
That
down in
looks
there.
so divine. And make sure you guys have a big mug like this, because you guys are going to want a whole mug like that. What do you think? Is it good? Take another bite. I was focusing on the mug.
Oh, it is delicious.
Is it delicious? Is the coffee sweet enough for it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Can I get a thumbs up and oh so yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Alright, go ahead and get me a spoonful here. I'm going to go ahead and give the camera to Cam. I'm goofy today. And he's going to watch me try it for you guys. Oh, look, see? I made a mess, you guys. Hey,
That's
it's not
messy.
fun if you don't make a mess, right, Cam? Oh, that's delicious, you guys. I gotta have another bite of this.
Mm-hmm.
You guys want a bite? I'll take a bite for you. Yum. All right, guys. So there's a quick recipe for you. I will have more upcoming. Also, too, stay tuned. Our daughter is getting married this coming up Saturday. I will be recording it, and then after I edit it, I will upload it. So thank you for visiting Country Views. Love all my friends and family. Bye.